Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your Chrome language back to English or to English. Okay, so if you change your Chrome language by mistakenly, you can change it or back to your normal English, normal your default language. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Chrome browser. So maybe your Chrome browser language uh, change with the different, so maybe you not understand, so I will show you step by step how you can change it. So just follow my step. Okay, just click on this three dot option, and here from bottom there is a third option you have to choose. Okay, so maybe this language will be different, but you have to change. Click on this third option from last. Okay, and now this page will be open. Okay, so here you can see this is a tiny arrow, and here is the advanced option. So maybe this is also with the different language, you can see. So just click on this tiny arrow. Okay, after you click tiny arrow, just scroll down, and here you can see this is icon of language. Okay, so just click on this language icon, first option, after clicking on advanced, and this is a language option. So here you can see this is which language you have changed. So you can change it. Just click on this tiny arrow again, and other language based on your performance. This language is used to display the Google Chrome UI. This language is to the translating page. Okay, so you can change language, or you can. So here you can see the different language. So if you doesn't see the English language here, so you have to add from here. Just click on this highlighted links, just click on it, and you have to find out the English language here. Okay, or you can search like English, or you can add any English like English, India, Canada, anything, and just click on it and add it. Okay, I just add this Australian language. Now you have to click on this three dot option and click on this display Google Chrome in this language. Okay, just click on it, and it will be your first language, and your Chrome browser language will be changed. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.